Hey guys, Scott DeSalvo, your marketing mentor here, and I'm on Lower Wacker Drive, which is sort of a shortcut in the city of Chicago to get where you need to go. I thought I'd take this opportunity to ask you the question, what is the purpose of your website and what should be the purpose of your website? So one, when people put up a website, a lot of the times, if they don't do a lot of search engine optimization, they think that the basic purpose of the website is basically like a billboard. So people driving by on the internet will see the billboard and be impressed by the design of their website and decide to call them just like somebody driving by a billboard on an expressway, right? So thousands of digital cars pass by your billboard or your website, and at some point you're going to get business out of it because somebody's going to need a lawyer. They're going to drive by, they're going to write down your catchy phone number and call you. The problem with that theory is that depending on whether you've got a lot of traffic to your website or not, it's really a billboard on a dirt road that nobody drives down, right? So, especially as lawyers, legal websites in almost every geographic area, there's a ton of competition, right? So there's probably a big fish in your area spending a lot of money to get all of the eyeballs on the road that their billboard or website is parked on, right? And if all the traffic is on the superhighway, it's not going to be too much traffic for you on the dirt road, right? But it's not a bad idea. Having a website, even if you don't have traffic to it, is not a bad idea because a lot of people will type your name and then the word lawyer after it and use your website as a way to find your number and find your address, right? So they'll go to Google and type in my case, Scott DeSalvo lawyer, and they'll find my website, and they're really just looking for my address or my phone number or my fax number or my email, right? It's usually opposing counsel or someone from a insurance company, or sometimes even my own clients lose my card and need to reach me by going to my website, which I always think is a little weird, but it does happen, and it's better than not having a website because that means they won't find you. But that's also not the primary reason you have a website. Another reason that I've noticed that attorneys get a website is it's sort of for vanity, right? They feel like a celebrity, and you can always tell when a website company is trying to sell you a web page based on vanity because they put a big picture of you on the website, or they maybe have a professional photographer come out and take some photos and then retouch the photos so that you don't even really look like the person on the website, but idealized in your mind you do. And then it makes you feel good. You pay them a bunch of money, it makes you feel good, it makes you feel like you have a real law firm because your website is so slick and professional looking. And maybe it even gives you a sense of pride. You show it to your friends and you show it to your family, and they're like, wow, you've really arrived. You've got a super professional looking website. But that's not really what your website is supposed to be either, right? The real purpose of your website is basically as a mechanism to get you clients. Now, it's nice if people can use it like the white pages used to be used, or like Google is used to look somebody's name, address, or phone number up. It's nice if that works, or it's nice if your clients use it to find you. It's nice if it's professionally designed and it makes you feel good and you like to show it to your friends and family because it looks nice and professional. All of that stuff is nice, but really, the main purpose of your website is as a fishing pole to help you catch fish, right? It's a mechanism by which, a tool by which you collect information on people who are interested in contacting a lawyer, and it's a mechanism by which you have people contact you. And if all your website is doing right now is providing your phone number on every page, or it has a contact us box, right, on the about page, or there's a contact menu item and they can put their name and their phone number and a generic message in. If that's all your website does as a tool to generate new business for you, then your website is not set up the right way. And it starts with the orientation and understanding what your website really is supposed to be, right? In fact, your website should have multiple hooks on it to catch your fish in multiple different ways. And that's something I can show you how to do. I'm going to be shooting some videos about good websites and bad websites, and good layouts for a lawyer website and bad layouts for a lawyer website. It's a little bit different for lawyers than it is for other businesses. Um, but there's definitely a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. And if your website is not designed and focused on being a fishing pole to help you catch fish or clients, then your website is not designed the right way. So talk to your web designer, or better yet, watch my videos or get involved with me, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. I'll show you exactly how to set your website up so that it is a tool to catch fish or clients and bring them into your law firm. So something for you to think about if your website's not set up that way. Hope this information helps you. If I can help you, you can always reach out to me at lawclientsrightnow.com. Happy to talk to you. Happy to see what I can do for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.